Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about data analytics. If you are new to this channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified. So the topics covered in this video will be data analytics introduction, types of data analytics, examples, implementation and summary of the data analytics. So what is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of collecting data and organizing it to draw conclusion from it. It is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming and modeling the data. The goal is to discover useful information, informing conclusions and supporting decision making. The data analysis can help in understanding the problem and explore data in meaningful ways. Data is just the number, facts and figures. The data analysis organizes, interprets and structures and presents the data into useful information that provides context for the data. The data analysis process includes 5 steps. These are asking the right questions, data pre-processing, exploratory data analysis, drawing conclusions and communicating the results. So let's look at the different types of data analytics. So data analytics can be broken into 4 key types. They are descriptive analytics, Diagnostic Analytics, Predictive Analytics and Prescriptive Analytics. Descriptive Analytics answer the question what happened. Diagnostic Analytics answers the question why did this happen. Predictive Analytics answers the question what might happen in the future. And Prescriptive Analytics answer the question what should we do next. So let's see each one of these in details, and each of the above data analysis can help reach specific goals and can be used to create a full picture of the data that helps in informing conclusive and supportive decision making. So this all helps in the decision making process. So let's go in details with the descriptive analytics. So descriptive analytics answers the question of what happened. So descriptive analytics is the process of using current and historical data to identify trends and relationships. It is the simplest form of data analysis, and the descriptive analytics is useful for observing change over time and uses trends for further analysis to derive the decision making. So some of the examples or the applications of descriptive analytics are financial statement analysis, demand trend analysis and tracking of the progress or tracking the progress towards certain goals. Coming to the diagnostic analytics, so this answers the question why did this happen. Diagnostic analytics is the process of using data to determine the cause of trend and correlation between the variables. The diagnostic analytics can be applied after the descriptive analytics to identify the trend. So this is the second phase of the analytics. So first phase is the descriptive analytics. Once that is done, diagnostic analytics can be applied. So the diagnostic analytics is also known as the root cause analysis. Diagnostic analytics make use of variety of methods, including the probability theory, regression analysis, clustering analysis, filtering, time series analysis, etc. So the examples or certain applications of these are in the retail sector, healthcare industries, application in human resources and manufacturing. All these sectors uses this kind of diagnostic analysis to make better decisions. Coming to the predictive analysis, this answers the question of what might happen in the future. So it is a predictive analytics, and predictive analytics uses the data to predict future trends and events. It uses historical data to predict or forecast the potential scenarios that can help drive the strategic decision. The predictions could be for the near future or the distant future. So regression analysis is one of the predictive analysis tool that is widely used in the predictive analysis. The forecasting can enable better decision making and formulate data informed strategies. So these all help in better formulate the strategies. So the applications involved in using this predictive analysis in finance, marketing, manufacturing and in the healthcare sector. Coming to the prescriptive analytics, so this answers the question what should we do next. So prescriptive analytics is the process of using data to determine optimal course of action. So what can be done in the future. This provides the information on that. The prescriptive analytics uses both descriptive and predictive analysis, but the focus here remains mainly on the actionable insights rather than just the monitoring the data. The prescriptive analytics has the power to help companies make better decision by optimizing the results of future events or risk involved by creating algorithmic model to analyze. So this is much more complex than the other three. So this uses algorithms and the machine learning to better predict the future outcomes. So the application involves investment decisions and sales in banking and in the product management. So in summary, using a variety of tools and techniques, a set of numbers, that the data that can be transformed into informative educational insights and that can drive decision making and thoughtful management. So these all helps in the companies to better make the decisions based on the data driven process. One of the quote by Marissa Mayer, with the data collection, the sooner the better is always the best answer. So in the modern world, everybody is reliant on the data collection, and data analytics will transform the data into a meaningful outcome and helps in the decision making process. Thank you. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends.